I think this is something that you'll find very helpful if you have a small studio setup, or even if you have a big one like I do. Now, what is this exactly? Well, you heard the noise there. We're going to get everything out of the box. That we can file in our filing cabinet. So right about here, I have first item of necessity. It is a clamp. This is what will clamp onto our desk to allow us to do what we want to do. I'm going to show you this on a top-down view there, so you'll see that. We've got a little desktop stand there, you can see. So now where would you use this? Well, you can use this in a number of ways. My plan was to put it in front of me on the end of my desk to put my camera onto it, so I have one less tripod in my studio. However, we might put some lights on there. So it comes in a nice little setup here. I like the quality of this metal. Okay, we've got a little screw section here, which I have no idea. Okay, okay. See, you know, this is, I want to do it just as you would get it, so you know what's going on. So how tall are we? Actually, table wise, that's taller than I need it to be. Most likely I want it at eye distance, so probably most likely it'll be something like that. So is it tall enough? It does get tall enough. So what do we do here then? Okay, we've got a few extra options here. Let me show you these. Now there's a little bit of, these little things are the essential things to allow you to do what you want to do. So we've got one for a light stand type situation. We've got a small tripod and a bigger size one, as well as a converter to make it double the same size, 1/4 inch I assume. And how will this work? Okay, so that first screw section there screws in down here. So it's actually metal, so it's good contact. Okay, so right there, that has screwed on. So now on the top of there, I could put a number of things. I might put, let me go to my standing desk so you can see this in true form. Okay. You can see it gets quite tall. So now what would I want to attach on that? Technically I could attach a light. Okay, so how this would work is I'd actually have it positioned sideways. I did not need to do a tripod, and that's filling me in. I could put in another setting, higher. What difference does that have quality wise? Okay, there. So that's not too bad now. You basically, it can be out of shot, or you could even have a tripod to show a mobile phone. So I'm quite pleased with that. Let me show you it on my desk. Just so you can see it. So that's like a bit of a fill light. Obviously it can be out of shot, so there you can't technically see it, but that's with it, and then that's without it, with, without. So again, this can be used in many ways to get you that extra little angle, and it's actually very small. And look, it's just a clamp. You clamp it to your desk, and I'm interested to use this in a number of ways. So I'm quite pleased with that little purchase there.